Welcome to this video on using Python for database programming with MySQL. Today, we'll explore how to efficiently connect Python applications to MySQL databases and interact with data securely. Let's start with the outline. First, we'll cover how to establish a connection between Python and MySQL. Next, we'll discuss the roles of connection and cursor objects, which are essential for executing queries and managing results. We'll then dive into query parameters, showing how they not only simplify query execution but also prevent SQL injection. Finally, we'll talk about best practices for SQL injection prevention to ensure your applications remain secure. Connecting Python to MySQL is straightforward with the MySQL connector module. You use the MySQL connector connect function to establish a connection. In this example, we demonstrate the use of the MySQL connector connect function. This function requires login credentials, database details, and the host address. It's good practice to wrap the connection process in a try-except block to handle errors such as invalid credentials or missing databases gracefully. Once the connection is successful, you can close it when it's no longer needed. Cursor objects are your primary tool for executing SQL queries in Python. They are created from a connection object using connection cursor. With cursors, you can execute queries, fetch results, and loop through data rows. For example, you can retrieve and display all rows from an employee table or process query results in your application. Always remember to close the cursor after use to free up resources. Query parameters are a vital feature for both simplifying your code and improving security. Instead of embedding values directly in your SQL statements, you use placeholders like %s and provide a tuple of data to substitute for those placeholders. This prevents SQL injection attacks by ensuring user input is safely escaped. For example, inserting a new employee into the database is as simple as writing a parameterized query and passing the values to it. SQL injection occurs when user input is manipulated to change the logic of a query, often to access unauthorized data. To prevent this, always use parameterized queries and avoid concatenating raw user input into SQL statements. This small step goes a long way in protecting your database and ensuring the integrity of your data. To summarize, Python makes it easy to connect to and interact with MySQL databases using the MySQL connector module. Cursors are essential for executing queries and fetching results. Query parameters are a secure and efficient way to include user input in SQL statements. And always remember to close connections and cursors properly to manage your resources effectively. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.